Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we'll be tackling the repair of a circuit board that has been deemed non-reparable. First, let's gather our tools. You will need a precision screwdriver set, a multimeter for testing, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, and a soldering iron with fine tips. Start by carefully removing the screws that secure the circuit board in place. Make sure to keep these screws organized, as they can be different sizes. Use a magnetic tray if available. Once the screws are out, gently lift the board from its housing. Be cautious not to damage any connections. Next, inspect the board for any visible damage. Look for burnt components, cracked solder joints, or corrosion. To clean the board, apply some isopropyl alcohol to a lint-free cloth and gently wipe down the surface, focusing on areas with residue or corrosion. This will help you see the damage more clearly. Now, let's move on to testing the components. Take your multimeter and set it to the appropriate setting for resistance. Test each component, noting any that show an open circuit or unusual readings. If you find components that need replacement, you can order them online or check local suppliers. If you're feeling overwhelmed by the repairs or lack the necessary tools, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This can save you time and provide expert insights into the condition of your board. Once you have identified faulty components, it's time to replace them. Carefully desolder the damaged components using your soldering iron. Apply heat to the solder joints and use a desoldering pump to remove the old solder. Be sure to keep the board stable while doing this. Now, take the new components and align them correctly on the board. Apply solder carefully to secure them in place, ensuring that the connections are solid. If you need assistance during this process, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to deal with transporting the board yourself. After replacing the components, clean the area again with isopropyl alcohol to remove any excess solder or flux residue. This step is crucial for ensuring the longevity of your repair. Before reassembling, it's a good idea to double-check all connections and components. If you want peace of mind, you can get a quote before repair from our expert team. Finally, place the circuit board back in its housing, reinsert the screws, and test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If not, don't hesitate to reach out for help, we're here to assist you. This process, while intricate, can be rewarding. Remember, patience and precision are key to successful repairs. In conclusion, whether you're embarking on this repair journey or opting for our professional services, understanding the process is invaluable. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.